So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do in Claude AI is go ahead and create out projects so that you can go ahead and run and maintain your related chats there. So to do that, you simply need to go around over here, and then you can see that I have this chat. I have an option to, let's say, add to project as well, or start a new project from over here. Or I can go to the top left, and here you can access our projects. And let's say I'm going to go ahead and click on new project. And let's say I'm going to go ahead and say, what are you working on? So I'm just going to say graphic design course right here, just like this. So it says, what are you trying to achieve? I'm going to say create a course plan for graphics design training. Let's say, for example, right here, and I'm going to go ahead and create out the project. So now what happens is that you can go to project, and then you can see your project right here. You can go ahead and click, and whatever you type right here, you can see that it is basically the section where all of your chat are saved. So I'm just going to go ahead and say create a 12-day plan on how to use Pixlr E. Pixlr E, let's say, for example, right here for students. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that it actually goes ahead, and then under the graphics design course right here, you can see that it creates out this project right here. So it's searching for the different content right here, and as it finds out the content, you can see that it actually will go ahead and give me out a plan right here. And this gets saved out over here in the graphic design course itself. So you can see it says arranging days on canvas. It's adding and finishing touches right here, just like this. So you can see that this is what you have. You just gotta wait for a bit. And basically, you can see that it has started designing right here a 12-day Pixlr E plan for students, and each session is 45 to 60 minutes. So it's actually going ahead and then setting out the different content right here, and will give me the generation right here. So if I were to go to the course right here, you can see the 12-day Pixlr E plan right here. So I'm just going to go around and say summary of what graphics design is into paragraphs. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and hit send, and what happens is that it'll go ahead and run out that chat as well, and it gives me the answer right here. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that I got, let's say, for example, two content right here. So I got what is graphic design. I got, let's say, for example, 12-day Pixlr E plan right here. So as you do that, you can see that I got this chat, and then I got this chat right here. And then whatever project you have, you can simply go ahead and manage it out right here from the project section easily. So that is basically how you can go ahead and create out projects as you want inside of Claude AI. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.